So I reached out to Rebecca, I think six months ago. I was looking for a new adventure, something different in my life. With such a competitive landscape, I was conscious that my CV, although I felt the content was good, I think it needed a revamp. I just didn't realise the unbelievable job that Rebecca would do and how much of a game changer it was for me finding my dream role. Just unbelievable. I can't thank her enough. I'm so grateful. It's not just the skill and expertise that Rebecca has in terms of CV writing and CV content and the layout, but also LinkedIn, posts, testimonials, cover letters, just amazing. But also when I had my calls with Rebecca, she's very down to earth, very good listener, gives great advice. I think, you know, when I went on my journey for looking for something different, I would definitely say Rebecca played a big part in that. So I would definitely recommend that if you have the opportunity to use Rebecca's services, I will always forever be grateful. So thank you.